What is that? Said the cat. By Grace Macron. Illustrated by Jeffrey Schur. I found a box, said the fox. I heard, said the bird. What is that? Said the cat. We don't know, said the crow. It is big, said the pig. Let me see, said the bee. Open it up, said the pup. Oh, said the cow. I'll use force, said the horse. Ya pishum! Toing! Use a bat, said the rat. I will try, said the fly. Good luck, said the duck. Beware, said the hare.
The pig.
Then the fox, the bird, and the cat, and the crow,
and the bee, and the pig,
and the pup, and the cow, and the horse,
and the mouse, and the fly,
and the duck, and the hare said, "See you later, alligator."
I do.
What shall I do now?